Navigating through the storm, understanding bankruptcy recovery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important and often misunderstood topic: bankruptcy recovery. This concept might sound daunting at first, but it's crucial to understand it, especially in the context of financial literacy and personal growth. So, let's break it down together, ensuring you grasp every bit of this journey towards financial rebound. Before we explore the recovery process, it's essential to understand what bankruptcy actually means. Bankruptcy is a legal procedure for individuals or businesses that cannot repay their outstanding debts. The process begins with a petition filed by the debtor, which is the person or business that owes the money, or on behalf of creditors, the ones to whom the money is owed. The debtor's assets are evaluated and used to repay a portion of their debt. Bankruptcy offers a fresh start, but it comes with its challenges. Bankruptcy can have a significant impact on one's financial status and credit score. It can make obtaining loans, mortgages, or even renting properties more challenging. However, it's not the end of the road. The key here is to understand that bankruptcy is also a chance to reset your financial journey, learn from past mistakes, and build a more secure financial future. Now, let's talk about bankruptcy recovery. This phase is all about rebuilding your credit and financial health after going through bankruptcy. It involves several steps. 1. Understanding your current financial situation. Get a clear picture of your finances post-bankruptcy. Know what debts were discharged and what obligations remain. 2. Creating a budget. Develop a realistic budget that includes savings, even if it's a small amount at first. 3. Rebuilding credit. Start with a secured credit card or loans with a cosigner. Make payments on time, every time. 4. Saving and investing. Begin to save money and consider safe investments to start growing your wealth again. 5. Education. Educate yourself on financial management to avoid future financial distress. To motivate and inspire you, let's look at some success stories of individuals and businesses that have successfully navigated bankruptcy recovery. These stories highlight the resilience and determination needed to overcome financial challenges and emerge stronger. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of bankruptcy recovery. Remember, facing bankruptcy is not the end but a step towards a new beginning. With the right approach and mindset, recovery is not just possible. It's a pathway to a more stable and secure financial future. Keep learning, stay positive, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. Here's to your financial recovery and success.